It's not my first time on the French Riviera. Last time I managed to visit Nice and Monaco, probably the biggest and most significant places in the area. This time though, I wanted to explore some hidden gems, so to speak, cities that aren't as well known. The first destination on my list was Menton. If you're traveling in the south of France, you can visit Menton. It's probably not a very popular city, I would say, but it's pretty unique because it's like a lemon capital of Europe. They produce a lot of lemons, and there is even a lemon festival in February. And you can also visit it in February, and the weather is supposed to be good because they have like over 300 sunny days per year. So it's very likely it will be like this. And they also have like very old botanic gardens, and it should be like a pretty beautiful and unique place to visit. We're going to explore it a little bit and go like to the seashore and probably fly a drone if everything goes well. It's easy to reach from almost any city on the French Riviera, or at least any coastal city. In my case, I traveled from Côte, and the one-way trip took me about an hour by train. It's actually easy to feel overwhelmed in Menton. I had assumed it was smaller. If you only have one day in the city as I did, I recommend heading straight to the promenade and the Old Town. If the weather is warm enough, you can also go for a swim. The beaches looked very family-friendly, with a gentle level entry into the water. Menton is located right on the French-Italian border and was once part of the Kingdom of Sardinia. Its architecture, cuisine, and even the local dialect still reflect a strong Italian influence. You can literally walk to Italy in under 30 minutes. I was really eager to fly my drone, especially because of all those small yachts. According to some sources, the Riviera has a long-standing tradition of nautical lifestyle and prestige. Even small coastal towns like Menton have marinas, and owning a small yacht is part of the aspirational lifestyle associated with the region. In the Old Town, you'll find countless lemon-themed souvenirs. I picked up this absolutely stunning lemon soap, mostly because it looks so realistic in my opinion. If you have more time in Menton, there are other lemon-related spots to explore. For example, there is a lemon farm just above the town. You can book a guided visit, which includes drinks and tastings. There is also a small market, so you will definitely find something that suits your taste. And yes, there are lemon-based dishes to try too. Unlike many French Riviera towns that mostly have pebble beaches, Menton offers a mix of sandy and pebbly beaches. Next time we visit, I hope we'll have more time to explore this wonderful city. If you enjoyed my little vlog from Menton, don't hesitate to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.